Okay, everyone, never ever pull fire alarms to skip a test, a pop quiz, or if you don't want to play a game. That is a big no. You don't ever do that. Remember Mikey? He pulled the fire alarm to skip a pop quiz, a test, and a game. And he got arrested by the police for doing that. Because pulling the fire alarm for fun is a very serious crime. So, if there is a test I don't want to take, and if there is a pop quiz I don't want to take, and if there is a game I don't want to play, will I go out in the hallway and pull the fire alarm? No, I will not do that because I am smart. I am not stupid. I know better not to pull fire alarms unless there is a real fire emergency, or if I have permission to do it for a fire drill or a fire alarm system test, or if I have my own fire alarm system at home that is in a controlled legal environment where the fire department doesn't come. Because I do not want to go to jail. Jail is no fun. So, if you want to stay out of jail, do not mess around with fire alarms. Goodbye.